doing a night bike ride. Remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I just got a new bike, and my mom and dad called me to ask, do you like this bike? And I said, yes. I wanted a bike that had hand brakes and gears. Me and my dad put on lights on our wheels so we can see each other in the dark. They're so cool! We sometimes go down a huge hill. I go like 26 miles per hour down it. My dad tells me to go first when we go down, and then he comes down. I'm standing on my bike. I'm wobbling a little bit. I just got my bike and I was still getting used to it, so I was wobbling a little bit. Doing a little bit of coasting. Going a little bit faster. Now we're gonna take a right turn right here. I'm standing up again. Oh, we better watch out for that car. There's a church that we sometimes go to down on the hill. Sometimes we go to that church and ride around it.
What? Is there a car behind us? No, we're good. Whoa.
Make sure to wear your helmet. When you're behind someone and you're coming up fast, you should tell them, I'm coming up on your right, or I'm coming up on your left. It's all downhill from here. Woohoo! I went really fast. Coasting right now. About to go into my cul-de-sac. Here I go around it. Let's go back home. Ooh, that was fun. Good thing I had my lights. Thanks for watching.